What's up guys, Jeff with Shock Surplus here, and this time around we got something brand new. These are going to be the Eibach Pro Chuck coilovers. They just came out with this. This is going to be for the 2016 and up Toyota Tacoma. So once you got the packaging opened up and you got this paper removed, you got the 2.0 Pro Chuck coilovers. And sway bar spacers and spanner wrench tool. So these are the Eibach coilovers, and you got your sway bar spacer. And something nice is Eibach does include a coilover adjustment tool. This is an older tool. They just recently came out with a new tool. It's going to be a little bit longer and allow you to make a little bit easier adjustments. So if you do happen to get your Eibach Pro Chuck coilovers with this older style tool, you can go ahead and give Eibach a call, and they'll be able to send out the new updated one for you. Now going over to the coilovers, these are the new Eibach Pro Chuck coilovers. They are making them for more trucks. Give us a call at Shock Surplus, and we'll be able to let you know whether or not they have them for your truck or when they are expecting them to be released for your truck. They are coming out. They are working on them right now as we speak, and these are going to be a hit. I like them so far. The milling, the machining on them is great. They do everything in-house, from their springs to the machining to the assembly of the shocks. These are all done in the Eibach facilities in Corona, California. Get them while they're hot. If you have any questions, if you're looking for these for your truck, feel free to give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to answer those for you.